All right, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all of the crazy things that I seem to step on. Welcome. It is Monday. Well, it's super late on Monday, close to Tuesday early morning, but it's Monday night. And I want to thank you for watching. I wanted to talk to you today about something that seems to be coming up a lot. And it kind of revolves around, sometimes the truth hurts. But it's so important. So what I mean by that is, I want to dive in with you about getting work, getting voiceover work, and not getting voiceover work, and some things that happen to us that it can be challenging for us to admit it or to get feedback, especially on some things that we don't want to hear. Because a lot of times when we get feedback or constructive criticism, like for example about our performance or about our acting, it can feel like a personal attack. And also, it can feel even worse because we might not necessarily know how to do anything about it, like how to fix it. So I'm talking about, what if you're in a scenario where you are doing everything you possibly can? You're really struggling to get voiceover work, and you just feel like whatever you do is not working, okay? You have bought courses, you've tried to mess with the algorithms of whatever site or Google, or you've done phone calls, you've sent hundreds or thousands of emails, you're doing all this stuff, and no matter what you do, you might be able to get a few jobs here or there, but you just can't get the ball really rolling. You can't see that incremental growth that you see some other people getting. Well, this is the moment when you need to take a step back and you need to be super critical about your actual performance. You need to be critical about, are you offering what the market right now, and I'm talking right now during the coronavirus, during this time, this horrible time in our world, are you offering the types of services that people are looking for right now? I mean, it's a good question. It's a tough question. Maybe you're a movie trailer guy or gal. Maybe that's your bread and butter. But there's not a lot of movies going on right now, and there's not a lot of demand necessarily for maybe that type of voice, okay, at the moment. Maybe you are a person who does a lot of, radio commercials around, restaurants. Well, there's probably not a lot of that going around as well. Okay. But at the same time right now, there is a lot of stuff going around about messaging and IVR and, narration, video narration. There's so much stuff going on about how businesses can be helpful, how people can be helpful, what we all can do during this time, and the type of style and the nurturing, inspirational, kindness, all of these things that people are looking for right now. We need supportive. We need these types of voices. We need this type of voiceovers now, today, more than ever. Are you offering that? So when I say take a step back, look critically at the voiceover work that you're doing, or the type of performances that you are offering up for people to actually judge whether or not they want to work with you. And ask yourself, am I offering the type of service through my voiceover business right now that people are really going to purchase? All right, am I doing that? And if the answer is, I don't know, that's a great answer, because that tells you that you have some work to do. You need to figure out where you sit right now in the spectrum of getting voiceover work. Where do you go? What do you need to do? Where do you need to learn that? How do you figure it out? Okay, you can go to websites where voice actors are, see what work they're getting if that website allows you to do it. You can look in Facebook groups. You can ask people. You can go to forums. You can go to, voices.com has one thing I really love about voices.com, among other things, is that they do have that top 100 people that get work on voices.com, and you can view that. If you go to Fiverr, they've got a lot of the top rated sellers have their portfolios active, so you can actually see, you can listen to the latest jobs that so many top rated sellers who are making a lot of money on Fiverr, what they're actually doing. And that will give you an idea of the work that people are hiring for today. Okay, it's a great way to determine that. So that's if you say, I don't know. All right. If you say, I'm not sure, well, that's the same thing. But if you say, no, I don't, that's another indication that we need to take a step back and breathe and try to, again, identify a little bit more and maybe humble ourselves and say, you know what, maybe we do need to do some work. Okay. I have had the ultimate joy of coaching so many voice actors, doing so many reviews now, because I offer a review service where I review people's gigs on Fiverr and ACX, etc. And it really is it's a joy to work with so many voice actors, amazing voice actors. But it also gives it's given me a really unique perspective on what people are doing and what they're putting out there, and how it's so easy to overlook such a vital part of our presentation to potential clients, right? And that's our product, our service that we're actually putting out, the actual voiceover work we're putting out. So I just wanted to come on and tell you that if you are struggling with getting work today and you've done everything, like you feel like you're continuously reaching out, you're continuously utilizing social media, you're making phone calls, you're sending emails, you're on websites, you're active in Facebook groups, you're doing everything you can. You've tweaked your, sites, your websites that you're on as much as possible. Your website went through 10 different looks and feels. You're on your fifth, voice, your demo player on your website. You've done everything you could possibly do. You've taken multiple pictures of yourself, and headshots. You've done everything that you could, and you just can't seem to get work. Please take a hard look at your performances and, more importantly, what you're actually offering people today. What are they looking for, and are you giving it to them? Or are you giving them something that they're not looking for? Are you giving them commercials about things that are no longer really relevant right now in our society? Think about it. Produce the content that's going to get you the work you want. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. I hope this makes you think about things and what you're doing currently right now to get business. If you get a chance, please subscribe this video. I want to thank you so much, as always, for watching. And please stay healthy and safe. By the way, if you are interested in a Fiverr gig review, or you'd like to get some coaching time with me, or join our Fiverr Elite group, which meets every Saturday in the morning, and those links will be below in the description. Thank you as always. Stay healthy and safe. I will talk to you soon. Goodbye. See you later.